Previously on EATV.
Well, something went pop. Hear that? Yeah, there's something in there now.
Now, I guess.
Okay. Bad news. It was a capacitor that broke. And that just flew off. There's some like parts in here too. Just like, I don't know, fuzzy stuff. Good news is, it was only a capacitor that broke. So I can just fix that here with another capacitor. And it's not the battery or the motor, which is probably the more expensive parts, but this I can just fix for like 10 cents. That is gross.
Several days later.
Okay, update number 1. I replaced the diode because that blew off, and I also had to, there was like a via hole underneath there, just a random that I had to also tie to the one end of the diode because that pad got ripped off. And then there's also a new capacitor in there. It's in a 100 volt instead of a 63 volt now, and it's they can withstand hotter temperatures, so it's a lot better than what was in there before because that one blew up. Update number 2, I took it down the road and then it stopped working, and I'm thinking because it's like it might be connected there because it might have melted or something or got too hot. I don't know yet, but it looks like there's also some condensation on the board. I don't know if you can see that, kind of those little droplets. Those are, I think the board got really hot in that area or something, and then I don't know, there's like goop on it. I'm going to do an ohm test to see if that, okay, those are touching. Beep, beep, beep. Wait, that's positive to negative. What's the resistance of that? Wait, so you're telling me I do this? Oh. So somehow, but that doesn't make sense. Okay, I'm just going to do that, get rid of all that stuff between those. Let's measure that. Okay. Something else is causing the problem. Okay. Alcohol and a paintbrush. What? Let's see if that solved it. Haha! Wait, that's right. Yeah. It solved it. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. We did it. Hello? Focus. So those two are touching. That's no good. So I put some flux on it and just, it's better now. So that's good. They're not touching. I don't think they were touching last night when I did that, but that was just in case. Made it better than it was. So now I'm gonna put it back together. Whoa! Whoa. Okay, so stuff I've done since I've got it working. Yeah, you might see another wire here coming out. That's because I have it going to a 48 to 12 volt converter, and that is so I can power the lights. And I have the light switch there to turn them on, so now they work. Also, the key works now. Off on, reverse. Yeah. Also, everything is now routed down through there underneath the seat, and then it comes out here so that it's not dangling, and there's just only a couple wires there. But anywho, it works now. Let's give it a test. Nice! Okay, it works. The lights work, the key works. Everything's working except maybe the gear ratio. I might make the back one like 100 teeth. Right now it's 80, so then I'll have more torque. Other than that, here's what it looks like at night. And yeah. And this is the brake light. So this is low beams. That's high beams. Probably one of the most boring things to shoot because is it on? I don't know. I don't hear it running. The key's on. Scary. Okay, now time to shut it off. If you like that video, guys, please hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't know. Let's go. We're gonna crash.